Today I am going to solve a numerical problem using Lagrange Interpolation method. We are given 4 data points and our goal is to find the value of y when x is equal to 3. Let's start by looking at the given values of x and their corresponding y values. Here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. At x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. At x is equal to 2, y is equal to 12. And x is equal to 5, y is equal to 147. The Lagrange interpolation formula helps us estimate a function value between known data points. The general formula is given here. So yx is equal to summation of 0 to n yi lix. Here lix is the Lagrange basis polynomial, which is defined as lix is equal to j not is equal to y, j is equal to 0 to product n x minus xj, xi minus xj. So here x0 is 0, then x1 is 1, and x2 is 2, and x3 is equal to 5. Now first calculate the L0 at x is equal to 3 and L1 at x is equal to 3. So here L0 is nothing but x minus x1, x minus x2, and then x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, and x0 minus x3. So here x is 3 minus x1, x minus x2, then x minus x3, then divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. Now plugging all these x1, x2, x3, then we'll get minus 4 by minus 10, that is minus 0.4. Then again we have to find out L1 at x is equal to 3. So L1 3 is equal to 3 to 0, 3 to minus 2, 3 to 5, then again 1 minus 0. Similarly L1 3 is nothing but that x minus x0, then x minus x2, then x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, and then x1 minus x3. If I plug this, so we'll get that minus 6 by 4, that is minus 1 by 5. Similarly here L23 and L23 and L33 we have to calculate. So L23 is nothing but 2 and L33 nothing but 0.1. Now after getting all this Lagrangian coefficient, that base polynomial, we can easily calculate the y at x is equal to 3. So y3 is equal to y0 L03, y1 L13, y2 L23, y3 L3 of 3. So y0 is nothing but that 2, L03 we got that minus 0.4, y1 is 3, L13 is minus 1 by 1.5, minus 1.5, y2 is 12, L23 is 2, y3 is 147, L33 is 0.1. So after doing that plugging and after doing the calculation, so we'll get that y at x is equal to 3, that is nothing but 33.4.